Hello and welcome to the official MOZA racing track guide for the F4 challenge on iRacing. This week's track is the Hungaroring and the guide's been provided by myself, Sambo iRacing. Let's start the hot lap. So here we are smashing it down the main straight, looking for our entry into turn one. It's going to come up on the left hand side and it's going to be this 100 meter board. As we go through that, braking up to about 95%, sharp trail off, down to second gear, getting on the gas as early as you can. It's going to make you exit wide, so we need to make our way back over to the right-hand side. And once again, we are going to be looking for midway between the 100 and the 50 board. And we brake up to about 65%, down to third, nice and early, smoothly back on the gas. Cutting this corner, exit nice and wide as we go up the hill. Don't over-brake into turn 4. What we're looking for is to just clip this curbing on the right-hand side. As we get there, brake up to about 25%, back on the gas in 5th gear. We're going to go back over to the left-hand side, and we're going to do our next braking just as we get to the end of the green and blue sidings on the left. We brake up to about 35%, down to 3rd gear, back on the gas. We've got now this tricky chicane coming up here. It's another one where we don't want to brake too hard, but we are going to start braking at the start of this curbing that you can just see where the grass ends on the left. We're going to brake up to about 65%, down to 3rd gear, cutting the corner on entry, cutting the corner on exit, up to 4th gear. Once we get alongside this Rolex sign on the right-hand side, we're going to turn in, do a big lift, back on the gas. We're now going to dab on the brakes, back on the gas in 3rd gear. Back over to the right-hand side, we're going to go flat through here. And then just when we get to this curving, once again on the left-hand side, we're going to do a big lift. Back on the gas at the apex, exit nice and wide. Now we're looking for our next braking marker, which is going to be just before the 50 board on the left-hand side into turn 12. Braking up to about 75%, down to 3rd gear, back on the gas. Our next braking zone is going to be as we go underneath this Heineken sign just above us. And we brake up to about 55%, down to 3rd. Got to be really patient with the throttle. Back over to the left-hand side. And we're looking for this Marshall's hut on the left here. As we get there, braking up to about 25%, down to 3rd. Again, lots of patience. And over and across the line we go in a 143.3. Join us again this week on iRacing for the F4 challenge presented by MOZA.